We're starting with our first dataset, and as you can see, it's a bit of a mess. There are completely empty rows, and we even have a duplicate entry for John Smith. There's the issue of John Smith being duplicated alongside laptop, and we notice extra spaces around Eva White. Let's tackle these problems one step at a time. To begin cleaning, I navigate to the Data menu and hover over Data Cleanup. There's a Cleanup Suggestions feature that will open a panel on the right side, which already highlights the duplicate rows. The panel also indicates the whitespace issue with Eva White. I can simply click Remove and Trim All for the spaces, which cleans that up. Lastly, I want to address those empty spaces. Next, I'll select the columns, create a filter, and sort the data from A to Z. This almost cleans up my data. The final touch is to capitalize the letters, so let's do that. I'll start by entering proper in cell E2. I type equals proper B2, and when it suggests autofill, I'll accept it so that I don't have to manually drag down the formula. We'll apply the same method to the product column. I start with dragging the formula to the right and drag the data down to apply the changes. Now you can see that monitor is properly capitalized. Our dataset is clean. I can now copy the data and paste it as values. Right-click, select Paste Special, then Values Only. There we have it. Our data is now clean and ready to use.